Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 12 chapter 11. Today's topic is genetics. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about Mendel's law or Mendelism and explanation of Mendel's laws. Mendel's law or Mendelism. As Georg Johann Mendel was the first to conduct every detailed experiments and draw clear conclusions, these two laws are called Mendelism or Mendel's law. The laws are: first law or law of segregation, second law or law of independent assortment. Mendel's first law. During gamete formation, the two alleles at a gene locus segregates from each other. Each gamete has an equal probability of containing either allele. In Bengali, শঙ্কর জীবে বা হাইব্রিড জীবে বিপরীত বৈশিষ্ট্যের ফ্যাক্টরগুলো মিশ্রিত বা পরিবর্তিত না হয়ে পাশাপাশি অবস্থান করে এবং গ্যামেট সৃষ্টির সময় পরস্পর থেকে পৃথক হয়ে ভিন্ন ভিন্ন গ্যামেটে প্রবেশ করে। শঙ্কর জীবে বিপরীত বৈশিষ্ট্যের ফ্যাক্টরগুলো মিশ্রিত বা পরিবর্তিত না হয়ে পাশাপাশি অবস্থান করে এবং গ্যামেট সৃষ্টির সময় পরস্পর থেকে পৃথক হয়ে ভিন্ন ভিন্ন গ্যামেটে প্রবেশ করে। Genetic explanation. As this law discusses about the crossing between one pair of opposite character, this is also known as of monohybrid cross or law of purity of gametes. Mendel considered the height of plant tall and dwarfed as characters. Suppose a gene responsible for the tallness was capital T and gene responsible for dwarfism was small t. Parental phenotype of pea plants: homozygous tall and homozygous dwarfed. Genotype: capital T and small t. Why double T here? Because we know for each and every characteristics two factors are responsible. Gamete: capital T, small t. And we know gamete is always haploid. That's why T and T separate, small t separate. A genotype of F1 generation: capital T small t, capital T small t, capital T small t and capital T small t. That means this gamete capital T and capital T, two gamete mixed with two gametes small t and finally formed the capital T small t. Phenotype of F1 generation: all will be heterozygous tall. F1 crossing between F1, that is F1 crossed with F1. Phenotype: heterozygous tall, crossed with heterozygous tall because all were heterozygous. There is no chance to be homozygous in F1 generation in this explanation. A genotype capital T small t and capital T small t because cross between homozygous tall with homozygous tall. There is no homozygous or heterozygous dropped. Gamete capital T small t and capital T small t. Result of first law. Follow the checkerboard. Gametes from male part capital T small t and gametes from female part capital T small t, and there is a symbol of male and female. First one is female and second one is male. Why this type of symbol is used? The mirror was essential to practice beauty of the appearance of woman in the ancient Greek kingdom. So mirror was used to symbolize woman. On the other hand, men fought to prove their heroism, so arrow was used as a symbol of manhood. When capital T mixed with capital T, then it will be TT, that means tall. Capital T mixed with small t, capital T small t, it will be tall. Small t mixed with capital T small t, that means tall. Capital small t and small t when mixed, it will be small t, that means dropped. Mendel's first law. A result of Mendel's first law. Phenotype of F2 generation, tall 3, dropped 1, that means phenotypic ratio will be 3:1. Mendel's second law. Second law, genes of different traits can segregate independently during the formation of gametes. This law is called the law of independent assortment. In Bengali it is called দুই বা ততোধিক জোড়া বিপরীত বৈশিষ্ট্য সম্পন্ন জীবের সংকরায়ন ঘটালে প্রথম বংশধরে কেবল প্রকট বৈশিষ্ট্যগুলোই প্রকাশিত হবে, কিন্তু গ্যামেট সৃষ্টির সময় বৈশিষ্ট্যগুলো জোড়া ভেঙে পরস্পর থেকে স্বতন্ত্র বা স্বাধীনভাবে বিন্যস্ত হয়ে ভিন্ন ভিন্ন গ্যামেটে প্রবেশ করবে। অন্যভাবে বলা যেতে পারে, একটি জীবের দুই বা ততোধিক জোড়া বৈশিষ্ট্যের জন্য দায়ী ফ্যাক্টরগুলো বা জিনগুলো গ্যামেট সৃষ্টির সময় সম্পূর্ণ স্বাধীন ও মুক্তভাবে বিন্যস্ত হয়। A genetic explanation. Mendel selected homozygous plant with round yellow pea and a homozygous plant with wrinkled and green pea. He denoted yellow with Y, green with small y, round with capital R and wrinkled with small r. Two genes are responsible for each state, so it will be YYRR and small y, small r, small r. Parental phenotype: homozygous round yellow crossed with homozygous wrinkled green. Genotype: capital R, capital R, capital Y, small r, and small y. That means here capital R responsible for round, capital Y responsible for yellow, Small r responsible for to be wrinkled, and small y responsible for green. Gamete, it will be haploid, that's why capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, crossed with the gamete which is produced from wrinkled green, small r small y, small r small y. A genotype of F1 generation will be capital R small r, capital Y small y. That means this gamete may mixed with another type of gametes freely. That means total will be same gametic, same genotypic condition, capital R small r, capital Y small y, capital R small r, capital Y small y. Phenotype of F1 generation, all heterozygous round yellow seed. There is no wrinkled or green, just only round and yellow. Why? Because we know the dominant characters will be established. Here round and yellow is dominant on wrinkled and green. F1 crossing between F1 phenotype, heterozygous round yellow seed crossed with heterozygous round yellow seed, because in F1 generation we got all heterozygous round yellow. Genotype capital R small r, capital Y small y. This genetic condition crossed between capital R small r, capital Y small y. Gamete will be capital R, capital Y, capital R small y, capital R small r, capital Y, small r small y. In the second condition it will be same, capital R, capital Y, capital R small y, small r, capital Y, small r small y. Result of F2 generation on a checkerboard. Follow the checkerboard. Gametes capital R, capital Y, capital R small y, small r, capital Y, small r small y comes from male plant. On the other hand, capital R, capital Y, capital R small y, small r, capital Y, small r small y comes from female plant. Then this gamete may mixed with this gamete freely. As per example, capital R small capital Y mixed with capital R, capital Y. The gamete with the genetic condition will be capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. That means the plant will be round and yellow. Then round and yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round green. Follow here. Round green. Why round green? Because you know the responsible to be green is small y. Here small y is present. Here also small y is present, but capital Y is present. When capital Y present, capital Y will be establish its characters. Here capital Y absent, that's why y, that means green is established here. Capital R, capital Y dominant on small r, small y. So when capital R or capital Y will be present, then will be round or yellow. Round yellow, round green, round yellow, round yellow, wrinkle yellow. Why here wrinkle? Because smaller, capital R is not present here. If the capital R is present here, it will be round. Wrinkle yellow, round green, wrinkle yellow and wrinkle green. Here totally smaller, small y. That means homozygous wrinkled green. Phenotype of F2 generation: round yellow 9, round green 3, wrinkled yellow 3, wrinkled green 1. Follow here. Round yellow and wrinkled green took part in reproduction. Then round mixed with green and formed round green variety. On the other hand, wrinkled mixed with yellow and formed wrinkled yellow variety. That's why this law is called the law of independent assortment. Phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1. Thank you.